Most ML courses teach you how to train a model, but what happens when you update Python and your entire project breaks? Or when Kubernetes just keeps killing your app? In this series, we will skip the fluff and solving 80 real world problems that actually stop you in your track. So let's start with the beginner, let's see, setup. Before you even write a ML code, the ecosystem fights you. You are fixing the packages conflict, visual environment nightmares, and also the panic of accidentally, let's say, pushing your API keys to the GitHub. Plus, why your local host API works perfectly but refuse to connect from anywhere else. Next, you will hit the machine learning wall. Your data is drifting, your model refuses to learn, and your training loss get stuck. Then comes to the CUDA, let's see, out of memory errors. You will walk through how to actually deploy your model from the first time, survive your initial Docker and Kubernetes crashes, and build, let's see, a real system. Now for the experts, your model works but is slow. We will dive into why your GPU is only at 20% utilization and how your CPU is secretly the bottleneck and the painful reality of converting to Onyx or Tensor runtime only to watch your accuracy drops. You will also catch the silence killer data drift. Finally, infrastructure, let's see, was why your Docker image is 4 gigabytes, why the Kubernetes throwing your board into crash loop back off, and why does your CI/CD pipeline pass all the test cases, but production immediately breaks. 80 problems, 80 practice fixed. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you next time.